Today I'll be showing you how to create this full design using a new clear jelly stamping plate and Aimeili gel polish. Please don't forget to like this tutorial and subscribe to my channel for more nail art videos. My base colour is Aimeili-Clivia Miniata number 119, which is a lovely pale nude with a slight shimmer. I'm curing this in my LED lamp and then applying another coat and curing again. This gold glittery polish is also from Aimeili and is called Golden Superstar Glitter number 062. And I'm just moving some of the glitter around with the brush so it's nice and even. And again, I'm curing in my lamp. The stamping plate I'm using is clear Jelly Stamper-Harvest CJS-138 and I'm using a layered leaf image. I'm stamping with Bring on the Bubbly, which is a lovely gold colour. And I'm just removing the excess with my sparkly thumb. And then stamping the image on my nail. Now I'm stamping the outline in Antique Lustre, a dark brown shimmery colour. And again, removing the excess before I stamp. And then I'm lining up the image so it layers well. I'm applying a coat of Aimeili-No Wipe Topcoat. And then one last cure in my lamp and I'm good to go. Here's the finished design, perfect for fall. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this.